A context diagram simply shows what's in context. And by that we mean understanding everything that goes into finding an idea, an activity, or state. Here I've got a Microsoft PowerPoint with a blank format, just keeping it simple. But you could use anything, even whiteboards or the old-fashioned paper and pen. I'm going to use the Microsoft Smart Art just to keep things clean and neat. And so simply put whatever you're working on as a center object. Like for me, I start with Website Upgrade Project in the middle. And then I'm going to put everything involved with the website upgrade around it. Things like the membership subscription, mobile friendly, interactive pictures, and even the training. A context diagram laid out this way helps you know what's in scope and what's not, who's involved and how they're related, and what else you have to consider for your current project effort. Context diagrams are what you start creating when you're in your analysis work and start asking all kinds of questions like, what's going on? Where are we at? What's involved? Who's involved? And so on. A context diagram is literally getting the context of what's going on. So these are great for things like identifying the solution components, listing all the stakeholders who might be involved, understanding customer bases, detailing the technical architecture, what you'll see commonly referred to as a data flow diagram, and even identifying access points. And so I'll go back to my diagram because I realized I should also add in customer as well as vendors. So I'm going to click on my Smart Art and add a new line for customers as well as vendors. These both have a relationship to our website upgrade. And again, whatever's in context. And yes, it was asked about integrating the customer relationship management system. I'm not sure this is in scope yet, so I'll just add it to the screen here to show I heard the idea. Just insert a new shape. Use the circle, put it over here, Customer Relationship Management System, CRM, and adjust the text to fit. But I'm going to change the color now to denote that it needs to be confirmed. You can see that it's not linked to our project right now, but we have it literally on our view, our context, to consider as we move forward. So this kind of visual context is great when you've been thrown in the middle of a project or a change effort that's already started, or when your stakeholders start rattling off lots of different systems and technologies, and you're trying to just understand their business relationship. They can also be valuable on being clear on what internal resources and assets are being used versus external vendors, clients, and consultants are providing. These diagrams are such a great way to quickly see the scope of an effort and again, just get everyone on the same page of understanding. Just don't put in process steps. Go ahead and use a process model for that. Or any kind of organizational reporting and hierarchy. Again, organizational models are better for that. And know that while simple, you may need to do a couple of different context diagrams for your effort if it gets too cluttered. Like for example here, I might need a technology focus view. So I'll create one for the technology elements. And maybe even change the shape and color to denote that these are technology elements. And when there's too many stakeholders to discuss, I might make another one for stakeholders. And again, I'll just change up the color and shape to identify that these are stakeholders. And that's what you want. Use these diagrams in your analysis work when you need to focus and center on the work that needs to get done and all the elements that have to be considered.